Welcome guys to my channel. This is Beyond the Veil with Miss Flame. For those who doesn't know me, I'm Miss Flame and I am talking about the darkness within the human beings without having to go to a traditional healer. So, yesterday's topic was about how to remove the evil eye and monitor spirits. Today we're going to talk about the weight we inherit and the breaking of ancestral curses and jealousy as well as envy. So they say time heals all wounds, but what about the wounds we never created? The pain passed down through generations, the jealousy, the envy, the betrayal, the curses, the energies that never truly died. They simply found new bodies like our bodies. What about that? You were born into a family, a bloodline, but along with the laugh in the stories, you also inherited the unhealed pain. Like maybe the things that we are going through in we can't explain it could be an ancestral pain. The people who have lived long before us, but we have inherited their pain. So you you were born into a family, a bloodline, but along with they laugh and stories and also inherited their unhealed pain. In every unspoken jealousy, every curse, every whispered out of envy, it did not disappear. The things they went through back then, they did not disappear because your spirit within you, the I am spirit, is an ancient spirit. It comes in a form of a new body, but your spirit is an ancient spirit. Your spirit was incarnated within you as the new body, but the spirit within you are not the new spirit. People, when you die, your spirit does not die, but your flesh, the flesh cannot be repaired. So if your flesh is weakening and it can't be repaired, you can see through the plants. Some plants you can see it will not make it. This plant is going to die. And this is the same as the human body. The body can't carry you for years and years. The body is going to fade away, but the spirit will remain. So the things we went through and going through are things that we have inherited. It did not disappear. It attached itself at the family spirit, to the family spirit. It attached itself. And as they descended, you carry those spiritual imprints. Sometimes the battle you fight aren't even yours. Sometimes the battles that you fighting aren't even yours. They are echoes of what your ancestors couldn't overcome. And sometimes the battles that you are fighting aren't even yours. They are echoes of what your ancestors couldn't overcome. The envy and the jealousy aren't ancient forces. I mean, they are ancient forces. They are not forces that started the day you have discovered the things that is happening to you isn't is not something that you are used to, and you can't handle this. It is not something that suddenly appears and started to happen to you. It is ancient forces. That jealousy and that envy forces is ancient forces that they divided families. It is attached to you, and it has divided families long time before you even existed. It has destroyed trust, and it has blocked blessings long before you have existed. Maybe you have certain patterns and things of your ancestors that loved before you, but you didn't know them. But some of the people who have loved before you have existed, and they see you every time doing the same exact things, like for instance, you are doing the same things that they used to do, um and the people tells you, you are just like your uncle or your aunt. You are doing the same things like they have when they have loved before. You are also eating jam with a vorsie, like a sausage, and you eating eggs with peanut butter, or you always wear your socks with different pairs. It doesn't match. You are just like your granddad or your uncle or your aunt or whatever else they have seen you have done, just like the people who have loved before. In one generation competes with another. Like the siblings, they are competing with each other. They are turning against each other, and communicates breaks the communities and the communication within the communities. It breaks because of silent comparison, because they compare themselves with one another, but in silent. They don't speak about it. They compare themselves in silent with one another. And what starts as a simple feeling that grows into spiritual bondage. It bonds itself. A curse that repeats itself until someone decides to break it. And if you ever wondered why success feels so delayed, when you are doing things and all of a sudden it started to stuck, and you can't tell what is happening, because you knew your breakthrough is on the edge, and now it is suddenly delayed. In why a relationship crumbles, and why pieces never last long. It is because of generational envy and curses that you are going through. It could be signs of generational jealousy operating beneath the surface. Maybe your ancestors were betrayed. Maybe they cursed one another in anger or in pain, and now that energy has simply changed faces, like yours and mine. And it continues the same story. But you are the chosen one, the one who was born to break the cycle. You are the one who feels the weight, because you were born to end it. You are awakening to see beyond the physical, to recognize that not every battle is visible. Your awareness is your power. Your healing is your revenge. When you are healing and you have discovered these things and you can now see it for what it is, this is your revenge. And it is your power because you have now the power within your hands and you can change how things can turn out for you in the future because you are a creator. You are a creator. When you forgive, when you cleanse, when you bless instead of curse, you dissolve what's been carried for centuries. Stand firm in your light. Call your ancestors into healing, not war. Release jealousy. Stop comparing yourself to one another. And bless those who rise. If you see someone arise, don't be jealous because your time will come. And your blessing wouldn't be the same as you have seen the next person's blessing are because everyone has its own blessing. Maybe the blessing isn't, your blessing isn't like you wanted it to be, but sometimes the universe is giving someone else a better blessing, like you see it as a better blessing because the universe is seeing things that you can't see. What will happen if you had that blessing? Because it is not meant for you. What meant for you is meant for you. You can't envy other people's things. And other people can't envy yours. Because they can't stand in your boots when the blessings that you are giving unto them is not meant for them. They will die with your blessing. And you will die with their blessing. What you see as a blessing, and you could have had that blessing, you could die with that blessing because it is not meant for you. So don't envy other people. Stop comparing yourself to other people because you couldn't stand in the same boots as they are. And you can't handle the things that they are going through because it is not meant for you. Because when one rises, the bloodline rises. You could be a blessing for your brother, for your sister, for your nephew, for your cousin, for your loved ones. When you rise, your family rise. So when someone else rises, that someone could be a blessing to their family. And now you are envying their blessing. It is not meant for you. What once was broken can be restored through consciousness, through prayer and love. You are not cursed. You are chosen to be the one who are going to end the curse. And your peace will become the inheritance of those who's coming after you. Ancestral curses ends when you are aware. When your awareness begins, this is when ancestral curses start to remove itself. Because now you have the power to can stop the things, the feelings inside of you. By telling yourself when you feel that anger and that hatred towards one another, that this feeling that I'm feeling, it is not my thoughts. It is not my feeling. It's someone else's feelings that has projected into my brain. Tell yourself that. So you wouldn't feel frustrated, you wouldn't feel envying, you wouldn't feel lost. Tell yourself that. That feeling is not yours. So everyone, thank you for tuning in to my channel. This is Beyond the Veil with Miss Flame. And I'm Miss Flame for those who doesn't know me. And salute. One love. And subscribe to my channel. Please guys, if you want more information, comment in the comment section. I need more information and I will respond to you. Thank you.